Dear guests, as we are descending to land, please make sure that your electronic devices are switched off or are in flight mode. Devices which are not used should be stowed away. We kindly ask you to stow your hand luggage safely, fasten your seatbelts, put your seat back in an upright position, fold up your tables, and open your window blinds. In the event of an emergency, an evacuation may be necessary. In such a case, leave your hand luggage on board. Please review the safety card which contains the details of the brace position and other safety requirements. Thank you.
Değerli yolcularımız, dikkatinizi rica ederiz. Star Express ile bağlantılı uçuşları bulunan yolcularımızın uçaktan indikten sonra kendilerine yardımcı olmak için beklemekte olan yer personeliyle iletişime geçmelerini önemli rica ederiz. Teşekkür ederiz.
Dear guests, may I have your attention, please? We kindly ask all passengers who have a connecting flight with Sun Express to contact our ground staff after deboarding. Our colleagues will be happy to help you. Thank you.
Wow.